Today we're going to be changing out our turn signal bulb in our 2013 Ford Explorer. Tools you'll need for this are a ratchet socket and extension with an 8mm and a pry tool. Let's get started. Open up your trunk. You have to pry this off and this off. And I don't suggest using a screwdriver, but if you have to, that's fine. Get your pry tool, start from the top here. And I guess you have to put your finger in, but pop it right down like that. And push in, and that'll pop right out. There's two things on the side here. Now you have your 8mm, two 8mm. You slide it out towards you, lift from the bottom and slide out, because as you'll see, there's a clip over here that'll prevent you from pulling it out, so you have to slide it towards you. All right, so here's our turn signal bulb right here. Just twist it and it pops right out. We're gonna get a new bulb and put it in there. Get our new bulb and put it in right here. Watch your cord, because you have to come around like this. Put it in and then twist. Goes back, all right. And then of course this one is your reverse light. This top one would be your reverse bulb right here, okay? So now we're gonna put it back in. You have a pin right here that slides in this hole, right there, okay? And you have another pin down here, it slides in this hole right here. So line your pins up. And then also your back hole in there, slide it in. Okay. There we go. Now we'll put our screws back in. Give it a test. Now we'll put our two covers back on, and yours might not have a cover, but ours did. So just place them in like that. Remember, these two pins on the side go in these pinholes, as you can see, like that. And that's how you change out your turn signal bulb on your 2013 Ford Explorer. You have to change out your reverse light. It's the top one over here. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.